What up guys, Kevin with the Six Streets YouTube channel here. If you've just found us, welcome to the channel, and if you've been here before, welcome back. In this video, we are back with more of the teardown of my Mark III Toyota Supra ever since it rod knocked. In the last videos, we have the head off and a couple of other things stripped out the engine bay. Now we were getting ready to pull the block, and part of that process to make it a little easier given my circumstance was dropping the transmission. So that's what you guys are about to see. And this also led to the opportunity to really decide to take the car to the next level. This is all going to make sense when you guys see the end product. But for right now, I hope you guys enjoy the video bringing down the R154. I hope you're entertained. I hope you learned something. And without further ado, let's get into it. What's going on, guys? As you can see, we got quite the disassembly process going on. This car is basically down to almost nothing aside from block trans and the connecting pieces to, you know, the whole drivetrain, you know, drive shaft, diff, axles, and of course suspension. The car is almost stripped, and we're going to continue bringing it down to nothing because we got bigger stuff incoming. So we're starting by kissing this shifter goodbye, which is quite unfortunate because I absolutely love the aesthetic and the driving feel, but we got something way better incoming. You guys are going to see what's up with that. So we got this part out, and now we just got to get this stuff disassembled. You know your car's been down for a while when you're literally seeing spider webs as you work on it. There was some forming toward the outside of the car. But it's all part of the process. But this is another thing we got to take care of: insulation. The car was getting tons of heat in it, so I'm definitely not down. Ooh, don't lose that. But yeah, way too much heat, exhaust gases, everything would come into this car. So definitely want to do something about that, both on the firewall and in here in the transmission tunnel. Definitely will be worthwhile. Don't lose it. Where do you learn that with your fingers? Doing this bull. That's how. I'm really not. I'm not agile whatsoever. So believe me, I am not the optimal build to work on small Japanese cars. That's on there, but that's going to come out anyway when we're dropping the box, so no concern there. Hey, look what physics class shows you. You don't have a lever, you barely have leverage. I swear to God, it's an extreme sport trying to shift this thing. Oof. That was satisfying. Alright, so we're done in here. For now, I think. Time to jack her up. Get under there. Start disconnecting exhaust, drive shaft, all that. I spent too much time working on this thing to have no music because of YouTube copyright, so I'm still listening to my fucking beats while I work on this car. Ain't no way around that. So let's start jacking her up. It's been a long time. Been a really long time since I've been down here. This exhaust is super nice, but turned into a mess after the whole oil spill. Worse than like the BP oil tankers in 2012 or whatever that was. Because my God, that front main seal made this car dirty. The downside to your 4-inch exhaust with a cutout, if you do this, you can tell this thing was a thing of beauty when I first got it. Now it's all banged up. You can probably see that. Whatever, it does the job. The air leaves this, that's all that matters, and it makes cool noises. Oh, there we go. Lightweight, baby. Yeah, you'll notice a lot of us that have Mark IIIs are actually like kind of weird people, but it's understandable after a while. Because the level of insanity it takes to get this car 100% correct is actually like a lot. Is that the fill? Oh, shit. I'm an idiot, bro. I'm an idiot, I swear to God. It's the fill plug. I literally just saw the drain on the other side. I knew something was weird. God. This is like fresh gear oil too. I had this car ready to drive for a long time. Then, oopsie, motor decided to go. Sorry to whoever guesses next. Your crush washer is no longer brand new as it was. Because I had new crush washers every single time I touched the oil. Yeah, definitely all day. All day. That's such a big freaking wrench that it'll break this loose, no problem. My God, this is a mess on the exhaust. What's up, bro? Came in clutch. Oh, you got the ratchet, this, bro.
And going down and going up, just in case.
Perfect, man. That's more than enough to do this. Yeah, there we go.
God damn, bro, that cutout is huge.
Oh, you didn't know?
Damn. Bro, I never seen that shit.
That's why I was destroying your ears.
God, and the pipe is huge too, god damn.
Yeah, man.
Wonder why
We don't play.
God damn.
But you see why I did it, right?
Yep.
I had this part of the exhaust figured out to sound amazing.
And you did it the right way with a Viva and everything.
Yep.
Yeah, people just weld that to a side and that's it. You did it like
Nah. Yeah. Trust me. That's why I trust Boran with the work. He's good, man. Really, really good. He knows his shit. Yep.
Perfect.
There we go.
Alright, good. Yeah. God damn, bro, you put
Wait, baby.
You put extra beef on this one.
No, but it's like I said, blue Loctite with Nordlock washers. Like, we gave it a lot. There we go. I have the nut. And then the washers. It's that we used to have problems with drive shaft bolts coming off this car. That's why.
One. Ah! That's my
Oh, my bad.
I'm gonna choke my hand.
Whoop, 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 whoop.
One black drive shaft.
Oh, the big black shaft.
No.
No homo though, no homo. All right. I gotta get myself out from underneath
This is normal,
here.
right?
Yeah, that's normal.
Okay, okay. I know everything.
I hope it's normal. There we go.
Jeez. Not completely with the thing?
Yeah, I didn't. I'll just do it.
Yeah, sin miedo. That has like a safe that it doesn't impact whenever it is already loose.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah. Spend money on that.
There we go. One. Yeah, it is. All right. All right, it's ready to come out. Okay, so now the challenge is just wiggle the shit out.
God damn.
Yeah, I thought you had it out already there. So a couple hours later, and a lot of pushing, pulling, and all that, we finally got the trans out. We realized the shifter is going to be a little too far back on the new trans, so gonna have to call the company and get another shifter. Most important thing, pull the shift fork out first before trying to pull this, and your life will be way easier.
You should put that earlier in the video.
Yeah, for real. If it weren't for you, I wouldn't have spotted that, to be honest.
Yeah. So you better put it first in the video. Fork, then do everything else.
But yeah, pull the pin for the shift fork, get that out, and the whole trans should come out, no problem. And you won't go through any of the trouble we did. But yeah, now the car is down to pretty much... Oh, there we go. Maybe you see something. Engine block. Not really, it's not showing much, but yeah, it's just an engine block that'll come out pretty easy. And our gearbox is out. Oh, there we go, we get lighting. So engine block, a lot of the harness and everything is out. So yeah, it should be an easy pull. And then just get the new motor done and put that in there.